and welcome to another video. I'm Tally, and I recently just completed a 30-day challenge where I kept my hair in a braid. There were times where I went out that I would unbraid it, but then as soon as I got back home, I would re-braid it. I work from home, so keeping my hair in a braid is pretty easy, and there were days where it was 24/7. I just wore that braid. I would unbraid it at night and then comb through my hair, trying to get the oils from my scalp throughout the rest of my hair, and then reapplying some leave-in conditioner and hair oil just to keep my hair healthy and hydrated. And then I braid it, and in the morning it would just stay in that braid until the next night when I would repeat that process. But I had measured my hair before I started this, and I want to measure it now and see if we have any growth. Now, I know it's not that the braid made my hair grow, it stops it from breaking, which allows you to see the results of your hair actually growing. Because if your hair is just breaking off at the root, or not at the root, but like here, I mean, there's, so many places for it to break off, you're never gonna feel like your hair's growing. Okay, I have ridiculously long hair. That's just... okay. Alright, so that one said 72. Let's just do it again for good measure and make sure we're doing a good job. Okay. That time it said 71, so pretty close. Let's measure the other side. Okay, that says 72. Let's measure again and see what it says. That also says 72, so I think we can safely say that my hair is 72, I believe this is centimeters. So 72 centimeters. Good Lord. That is from here, starting here, all the way where my finger is, at about like 28.5 inches or so. That's how long my hair is. When you see it like this, it doesn't even fit on camera. There we go. There. It's crazy. Alright, so drum roll. So when I first started before I started braiding my hair, I measured my hair and it was a 69 centimeters. And now I'm at 72 centimeters. So there has been some growth, and it does seem like it did help. I wanted to do the braid and do a little challenge because I felt like my hair had stagnated again as far as growth, and I know with my hair it's super fine and fragile and dry and frizzy, that it probably was because of breakage. I was getting to the point where my ends just couldn't hang on for dear life anymore and were breaking. And I thought, well, maybe if I kept it in a braid, I could. I see a lot of other people with similar hair to mine where it's fine, and maybe there's some waves to it, but it's not curly and it's not straight. I don't know, I'm kind of in the middle somewhere. Wavy is probably the best one to go with. But they always, like, the protective hairstyles that they would do was always put it in a claw clip up in a bun up here or something, and use a claw clip because you'll pull out less hair, like you have some hair ties, and there's definitely some hair in there. So even though I get these that don't have any metal and they don't have that elastic, thick elastic band like in a regular hair tie that you would think of. And so, but for me, that will give me a migraine. I can't have my hair in a bun for any prolonged time period. Maybe really quickly to wear a hairstyle to go out, but as soon as I get home, I'm taking that out and I definitely will have a headache. And so I was thinking maybe I'm complicating things here, and I don't need to be doing a bun that will give me a headache, and I just need to do a simple, one strand braid, just braid it down the side, and then just stick with that. And so that's what I look like. I'd be at my desk working away on my laptop with my beautiful braid in my hair.
That is the ugliest thing I've ever seen.
And that's just how I stayed, and it didn't seem to hurt my neck. It didn't give me any headaches. So if you're like me and you can't wear a bun or really any hairstyles because you'll get a headache and you're just sensitive to, I don't know, I guess like the pressure points on the scalp and all of that, I definitely recommend just doing a single strand braid to protect your hair from breakage. All right, well, I hope this video, it was definitely amazing to see how much my hair has grown, and that I was able, that did seem to do something to prevent breakage, because as I said, my hair had kind of stagnated. It stopped growing again. And so I'm fairly happy with the results. It'll be kind of interesting to see if I can continue this, and maybe we can check in a year of wearing my hair in a braid, because I want to see if I can get my hair, it's thicker up here than it is down here, and maybe we can get my hair to be all one thickness of it. But yeah, I'm definitely excited to see that and see what that will do for my hair. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.